Yo, what's going on, guys? So today, we're doing an introduction to the Honda Civic Mark 8. So we're going to be doing modifications on this. I'm going to talk through most of the things we're going to do, and just get inside and I'll talk you through everything. So guys, let's talk through everything we're going to do. So far we've done interior lights, so front and rear. Let me show you them. We've done these, and then we've also done the rear ones as well. And one other thing we've done is number plate lights, rear ones. We've changed them for like LEDs or white LEDs, so look way better, so much better and brighter. And we've done parking sensors, so we fitted them. Like the other day we fitted them, and they just look pretty good. They go with the car, same color black, with the car is. So yeah, that's pretty much what we've done so far. But obviously everything else we'll just update them as videos. And obviously at the end I'll show you everything that we've done in one go. And yeah. So let's talk about stuff we're gonna do. So far what's planned is the car's gonna go to body shop. There's some bits of damage around it. It's gonna get repainted, and then the whole car's gonna be polished as well. So if I get out, I'll show you what is needed to be fixed. Guys, let's do a tour of what's going to be sorted on the exterior of this car, and yeah, what else is going to be done. So I've started at the front. This front's not all bad. There's nothing really major here. And then as you walk to the side, see the rear door. It's got a scrape there. That's going to be sorted on the body shop. So scrapes like this are going to be sorted. That's going to be sorted. And then if you go around, so here on the corner of the back bumper, that you can see that's been scraped. It's quite bad. So that's going to be repainted at the body shop. And also if you come around, see the same on the other side as well. So you can see that's going to be sorted. And I think exterior, that's all we're gonna really need to do. Well, obviously it's gonna look so much better when it's been polished and everything, and then them parts have been sorted. Also, we've changed this front headlight, the bulb, because it was flickering, so we thought we might as well change it. This side was perfect, so there's no issues with that, and that was fine. Show you the parking sensor we also fitted. See the go across the license plate lights. We've also fitted number plate lights. So guys, when it's been polished, it'll look 100 times better. It'll literally look so much better, and yeah. So other than that, I think we'll probably do intake mod to make it sound a lot better, because obviously we want to hear the VTEC 1.8. So this car it's got the 1.8 VTEC petrol engine. So we're gonna modify the intake, so we'll give some more extra sound, and you'll hear more of that VTEC. When you accelerate, you'll hear more of that VTEC. So let me just show you a bit more about. Let me just show you a bit more on the car. So here you have the doors. Pretty normal. But this car, it has the folding mirror. That only works when the ignition's on. Then you've got a start button. It's quite cool to have this car in particular has a start button. And you have that. And then that's your air vent. The dash is pretty good for what it is. For when this came out as well. So, okay, here this car is quite good spec. It's got voice control, so you press the phone button, you turn that on. When the ignition's on, it beeps. Then you just say what you want it to do, and then that to go back. And also these buttons also control. Well, these two and these two are the same. So they also control like phone and stuff, so that's the answer, and phone call and stuff. And then you got the steering wheel. The dash is pretty nice, the way it just curves like that. And then you've got screen and everything. You've got everything here. And then all the climate control and stuff is all here. So as you can see, this is to press auto and it's automatic. Oh. Then you have your fan controls. So everything to control your fan. So you've got your AC, windscreen and stuff. Okay, that's the demister. So that's the demister. Demist. So like when it's cold, it usually gets steamed up windows, and I'll demist everything. You got the handbrake, all of that. Oh yeah, and this car, I think at some point it has been fitted with a Type R gear stick, so it's got the golf style Type R gear stick. Well, that'll probably need some polishing because it's got quite a few scratches, as you can see. You can see, like, if you zoom in a bit, can't see from the light, but you can see this. It's quite scuffed up. Storage wise, this car's good. It's got room for everything here. I've got door bin there as well. Then you can see the back. The back is pretty spacious. A bit extra of the interior, you can see it's pretty clean. With bright light you can see everything. Quality in general is good. Other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, so let me just quickly go over everything. So we've done interior lights, rear lights, number plate lights, and parking sensors as well. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you share this video to everyone you can see this whole series, and yeah, all the modifications we're going to do in this car, and it should look good and it should be amazing by the end of it. So yeah, so make sure you watch the latest videos whenever I upload. Don't keep showing support. And yeah, I'm going to be uploading shorts as well, so whenever I'm not uploading much, I'll be uploading shorts, so you can just go watch them. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and on the next modification, I'll see you then.